In this presentation, we are going to demonstrate how we can quickly scale up a running container in an Elasticsearch cluster, as well as scaling out the number of data nodes using the Robiin hyperconverged Kubernetes platform. First, we need to log into Robiin. After that, we are then taken to the dashboard page that gives us an overview of the current activity on the cluster, as well as the resources we currently have in use. We now click on the Applications menu in the left-hand column to get a list of all running applications on the Robiin cluster. By scrolling down, we get to see the running Elasticsearch cluster. By clicking on it, we are then transferred to the application page that shows all the running containers. We are now going to scale up a running container. In this case, we're going to give more resources to the currently running dedicated master node by clicking on the QoS button. We give this container an extra CPU core and more memory. Clicking on Apply, we quickly give those extra resources to the container. We can now verify that the container is using 5 CPU cores and 16 gigabytes of memory. Now, let's scale out the data node service by adding more containers. Currently, there is only one container running a single data node. Clicking on the Actions box brings up a menu where we can select to scale out. This will open up a new window where we can choose how many instances to add. We are asking to add one data node for a total of 2 after scaling out. The creation of new containers only takes a few seconds, and we can verify that there are now 2 containers running the data node service. Clicking on the Service Info button in the upper right corner of the page allows us to ask for a new tab to be opened to check the different nodes in the Elasticsearch cluster. We can then verify that there are now 2 data nodes available.